Howdy y'all, Robert from Texas here. Are you still trying to figure out what niche to get into? So I kind of wanted to go over some things that might even help you to define what your niche can be. Remember though that you want to choose a niche that you are interested in, people are spending money in it, and that there's actual products for you to be able to promote. So I kind of wanted to go over some examples to help you define your niche. So this way that you can find a niche that's less competitive, but it's more targeted. What we're going to try and do is to get more specific. We're going to really try and fine tune what our niche is so that we can focus on a group that's not as competitive. So by now we know that the niches that are most popular out there are the health niche, wealth niche, and the relationship niches. So once you've chosen one that you are interested in and that you know that there's actually products out there to promote and people are spending money on those products, you're then going to want to try and fine tune that niche, especially if you're just starting out with affiliate marketing, because in all these niches, there is a lot of competition, and you're going to probably feel as you're at a disadvantage because there's a lot of other people who've already started way ahead of you. But don't fret, because we're going to try and find a niche that is less competition and also more targeted. For example, say you are interested in talking about wealth. You enjoy talking about money, you enjoy talking about finances, and you enjoy talking about ways to make money. Now that in itself is a great niche, but that might be too broad for you to start off with, especially if you're new, because it's going to be kind of hard for you to stand out, especially if you're just first getting started. So for example, let's just say that you chose the wealth niche, right? And you try to niche it down by being more specific, by saying making money online. It's still in the money niche, but you're going to be talking about how to make money online. It's still something that you're interested in. And this way, it's more specific than just talking about money in general. You're going to be talking about how to make money online. And we already know that the money niche is a big niche out there, but it's also very competitive. So you're going to try and dial it down by talking about how to make money online. But think about it. That's still kind of too broad, and you're still brand new at this. So try to nail it down where you can fine tune it even further. You could probably maybe even talk about how to make money online for people who are not tech savvy. That could be a niche. You could be able to create content around people who don't feel comfortable around computers, but who also have an interest in making money. So this way, you're still within the big, broad niche of wealth, but you're dialing down your audience, being more targeted. And being more targeted like this means that you're going to have less competition, with the hopes of you standing out. So that's just one example. I mean, hopefully it kind of makes sense. What we're trying to do is really fine tune our audience. We can also just take the health niche. Again, one of the top 3 niches out there, right? And say you like talking about weight loss. You enjoy talking about diets. You like communicating to other people on how to lose weight. So you fine tune the health niche a little bit further by saying you're going to talk about weight loss. But it's still kind of a broad subject, and there's still a lot of competition out there. So how about this time you talk about weight loss for men in their 50s? Again, this way, you're targeting a specific audience. And this way, you'll also have a chance of reaching out to more people because it's not as competitive. You've fine-tuned your niche. And if you're talking about weight loss for men in their 50s, you're still in the health niche, which is one of the top 3. But you've dialed it down. You've fine-tuned it where you're going to be a targeted audience. And again, hopefully, with enough content, enough good content, you'll be able to stand out from your competition. Because that's what we want. We want less competition, but we want to be in a targeted audience. Okay guys, just a quick short video on helping you to decide on how to figure out your niche by just dialing down exactly who you're going to target. And I hope you guys are having a good day, and I mean that. And we'll talk later. Bye for now.